Hello guys, welcome to the review of Wit Proposal. Wit Proposal is a kind of a tool that helps you to create interactive proposals and contracts for your agency or for your freelancing business or any kind of business you are doing online. Video proposal can be very helpful for you. I've just created one of the proposals with the help of Wit Proposal. Of course, it is a template that I have choose, and you can see what kind of proposals you can create, and also your client can directly sign the proposals from here. So it's kind of a multi doing thing and all this stuff. So you can like fill all this form. I've not completed this, but you can see kind of proposals you can create with proposal. So it is a kind of a preview for the proposal, and this is the proposal, and I'm going to show you how you can create all this stuff. Like I can copy this and I can paste this, and you can directly see what kind of a proposal I can create. Okay, it is open on my window. I have to open it on my guest window, right? So here we are. Here what it's look like. So here you can do this signature and all the stuff, and you can like fill up your name, and the client will fill up this name and all this stuff. So here we are on the dashboard of Wit Proposal, and if you like this software, what you can do, you can go and check out my review on Wit Proposals, and I have some special bonuses for you. So you can go and check all the bonuses here, and you can get it through my link, and the bonuses are going to automatically delivered on your email ID from which you are going to purchase Wit Proposals. So this is the dashboard of Wit Proposal, and here we have some options like I can start creating a proposal from scratch, or I can upload my video here, or I can also start from scratch. I can screen record the video. I can record through my webcam that the video you are going to embed on your proposals, and you can do both. For example, webcam and screen. For example, if you are showing them something like some kind of a PPT and all the stuff, so I'm going to just share this screen. You have to add their extension here. You are going to get it when you buy the software, and here we have our screen. I can go start recording, and we have some few more options like webcam only or webcam plus screen. So I'm not going to turn it on right now. You can check that when you buy the software. I've shown you that. And what we have here, we have templates. Now doing something from scratch is kind of a headache thing for me also. So we have some pre-made templates here. I can like go and edit them. So for example, I sell PPC uh, services. So I have some PPC templates or the PPC proposals for doctors, lawyers, plumbers, dentists, doctors, and what I can go and I can check that preview of the template, and I can click here and get it. For now, I can edit my proposals. Okay, now I can edit this proposal. I can embed my own video, or I can directly share from here. I can change the name. I can go and edit the contract and do all the stuff here, and time framework editor is quite like good for this kind of pricing software comes with a very low time one-time fees. So here we have subtotals and services, subtotals and tax. And here your client can sign the service. Even you can embed some more codes. For example, if you want to embed it on your website and on your landing pages, you can do that also, or you can add some call to action buttons, the colors, or you can also change the colors of the buttons, and all the stuff can be done. Also you can add some thumbnails. There we have some settings like e-signatures. This is one of the key USP of the software. Your client can sign the contract within the browser. Means once you send him the link of the proposal, he can directly sign from there. Usually what happens right now, that if you send a proposal on like on his mail, in the kind of a PDF things, he take outs and print out, then he signs off the proposal and he send back to you. That is a quite process, quite a lengthy process. If you are providing like e-signatures, that can be a real game changer for your business. You can sign off client fast, so you can also like take the cash flow fast. So you can also like protect your proposal. You can also like protect like password protect your proposals. So these options are good. And here we can like have, for example, if you want to take the person's email ID, if you are sending your proposal to multiple persons or multiple companies, you can also like same like okay, you have to give your email ID to when you are signing this particular proposal. And there have quite a good option here. And we have all this thing here, and I can preview my proposal here. It's cool, like you can create contracts in few minutes. And you can also like edit. I have not like edited the page, because video will get so much lengthy and I don't want to waste your lot of your time. And now they also integrate an app called Lead Gen Deal, which is a lead finder or prospect finder tool. I've already searched and keyword for stock market here, and you can see the results. I've already gotten some results. Some like I can export it to my CSV file. I can go and see their pages, send them message, send them mail. Means it's a outreach applications application for leads. Means you can collect leads. I've just generated more than 240 leads. I can cold email them, I can message them that I can provide you the service, and I can send them proposals. So they kind of are like they have given you the lead gen deal, which is a great tool to find leads for local businesses. So I'm going to show you how it works. Let me go to the dashboard, and here we are on the dashboard. For example, now I want to uh, search a business which provide training. For example, stock market training. I go here, then I search for a city. For example, Delhi is on India, in India, sorry. And I can go and click to search. Now in few minutes, obviously it is going to take some time to search the leads. It is going to search leads on a real time basis. So lead gen deal don't provide you the database of customers. They provide you the real time solution. What I liked about lead gen deal. So it is a kind of a good deal for you if you are into agency business, or if you have clients, if you sign clients. The video proposal can be a game changer. Also you can sell the services of creating proposals on Fiverr and Upwork, there are many people who will like to take this kind of a service as an because they can sign up client fast. So even the uh, top notch level companies don't do this kind of stuff. So you can think what you are going to get with the software. So it is quite of a taking time. We have our leads. You can see, you can go and visit pages, send email, or also like see their Google local listing, I think. So I'm going to not do all this stuff here because that will be in private data for these companies. So this you can do with the lead gen. Here you can get all the training about lead gen software, like lead generation, how you can pick up the right city, how you can search it, and all the stuff is available here. You can go and check out that also. So this was the quick review of Wit Proposal. If you do like this software, don't forget to get it through my link. Here is my link. And if you liked this if you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I talk about affiliate marketing, digital marketing, and all the stuff. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for this video. See you in the next video.